Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust the volume level of your media while using the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Okay, so it works the same for the left and the right AirPod. Let me just show you how it looks closely. Okay, so as you can see in this place, on the both AirPods you can find this cutout. It's the touch control sensor. And let me just put the right one to the ear. And on this one, I'm gonna cover the sensor. So right now you have to just simply swipe up like that. Maybe in this position. So swipe down to decrease volume and swipe up to increase volume. You have to just do it gently and it works each time you swipe on this stem. Very simple, as you can see. So one more time, swipe down to decrease sound, swipe up to increase. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.